Hello everyone. Welcome back to Slow English Talks.
I am Sarah, and today we have a very exciting episode for you. Today, we follow a family of 4 people. They are going on a trip, and they are going to the airport. So, are you ready? Let's go!
Good morning, everyone. Today is the big day.
Good morning, Tom. Yes, I am so excited and a little nervous.
Don't worry, Lisa. Everything is ready. The suitcases are packed.
Did you check the passports?
Yes, I have all 4 passports. Here they are.
Good. And the tickets? Do you have the tickets?
Yes, the tickets are on my phone. I have the e-tickets.
Good morning. What time is it?
It is 6 o'clock in the morning, Jake.
6 o'clock? That is so early.
Jake, we need to leave soon. The airport is far from here.
Okay. I will eat breakfast fast.
I am ready. Let's go to the airport.
Emma, slow down. Did you eat breakfast?
No, not yet. But I am too excited to eat.
Emma, you need to eat something. It is a long trip.
Okay, Dad. I will eat a little.
Tom, I want to check the bags one more time.
Lisa, the bags are fine. We have everything.
I know. But I always like to check.
Mom always checks everything 3 times.
3 times? Maybe 4 times.
Okay, family. Finish breakfast. We leave in 20 minutes.
Okay, we are on the road. Good.
How long is the drive to the airport?
About 1 hour,
Yeah.
maybe a little more.
Mm-hmm.
There is some traffic.
1 hour? That is a long time.
Emma, 1 hour is not long. Go back to sleep.
I don't want to sleep. I want to talk.
Emma, be quiet for a few minutes. Dad needs to focus on driving.
Okay, Mom. Dad, what is check-in?
Check-in is when we give our bags to the airline, and they give us our boarding pass.
What is a boarding pass?
A boarding pass is like a ticket. You need it to get on the plane.
Emma, do you know anything about airports?
I know a little. I know that planes fly in the sky.
Wow. Very smart.
Very smart.
Jake, this is your first time at an international airport, right?
Yes, Dad. I am excited. And a little nervous, too.
That is normal. Airports can feel big and confusing at first.
But don't worry. We will do everything together.
Thanks, Dad.
Dad, can I have a window seat on the plane?
We will see, Emma.
We will check when we are at the gate.
I really want a window seat. I want to see the clouds.
Emma, we will try our best.
Yay! 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 Thank you, Mom.
Wow! The airport is so big! Yeah. There are so many people here.
Stay close, everyone. We don't want to lose anyone.
Let's find the check-in counter first.
Dad, where is the check-in counter?
Look at the signs. We are flying with Sky Air, so we need Terminal B.
Look! There is a big board with all the flights.
That is the departure board. It shows all the flights and their times.
Jake, how do you know that?
I read about it online.
Look! Our flight is on time. That is good news.
Great. Let's go to the check-in counter quickly.
Mom, I am thirsty. Can I drink water? Yes. Here is your water bottle.
Okay, family. The check-in line is here. Let's wait.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. We have a flight to Singapore. My name is Tom Johnson.
Let me check. Yes. I see your booking. 4 passengers, correct?
Yes, that's right. 2 adults and 2 children.
Perfect. May I see your passports, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Do you have bags to check in?
Yes. We have 2 large suitcases. Good. Your bags are under the weight limit. Here are your boarding passes.
Thank you so much.
Your gate is B14. Boarding starts in 90 minutes. Have a great flight.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
What is this, Mom?
This is the security check. We need to put our bags through the machine.
And we walk through the gate. If the alarm beeps, it means you have metal on you.
Like a coin?
Yes. Or a key. Or a belt.
Oh, I understand now.
Emma, put your backpack here on the tray.
Great. Security is done. Now let's find Gate B14.
Dad, can we buy something to eat? I am hungry now.
You didn't eat breakfast this morning.
I know. But I am hungry now.
Let's buy something small. There is a cafe here. Can I get a sandwich?
Yes, Jake. Emma, what do you want? I want a chocolate muffin.
Okay, 1 sandwich and 1 chocolate muffin. And some coffee for me and Dad.
Perfect. I'll wait here with the bags.
Dad, look at that big plane outside.
That is a Boeing 777. It is one of the biggest passenger planes in the world.
Wow. Is our plane that big?
No, our plane is smaller, but it is still comfortable.
I am so excited. When do we get on the plane?
Soon, Emma. The staff will announce boarding.
Announce? What does that mean?
It means they will speak on the speaker. They will say, now boarding flight SK-102 to Singapore.
Oh, I understand. Like a speaker at school.
Exactly, Emma. Very good.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now boarding flight SK-102 to Singapore. Please have your boarding pass and passport ready.
That's us. Let's go!
Emma, walk. Don't run.
Sorry, Mom. I am just so excited.
This is amazing. We are walking onto the plane.
Yes, Jake. This part is called the jet bridge.
Welcome aboard. May I see your boarding passes, please? Of course, here they are. Your seats are 14A, 14B, 14C, and 14D. Enjoy your flight.
I got the window seat. I got the window seat. Yes, Emma. You are very lucky.
Emma, can I sit next to you? I want to look outside too.
Okay, but don't block my window.
I won't.
I am so happy we are all here together.
Me too, Lisa. This is gonna be a wonderful trip.
I can see the other planes from here. So cool.
Emma, sit down and put on your seatbelt.
Okay.
Tom, I think we remembered everything.
Yes, we did. Passports, tickets, bags, everything.
And most importantly, the family. Great job, everyone. You just followed a family all the way to the airport.
Now, let's quickly remember our key phrases from today.
Number 1, the big day. It means a very important and exciting day.
Number 2, don't worry. It means everything is okay. Relax.
Number 3, stay close. It means don't go far away. Stay near the group. Number 4, on time. It means not late. The flight arrives at the correct time. Number 5, now boarding. It means you can get on the plane now. 6, have your passport ready. Prepare it to show quickly. 7, that is normal. It is okay. Many people feel the same. If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment below and tell me, where do you want to travel?
I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone. Take care.